If you would like to reset the speakers on the Focus and revert to default settings, there are a few ways you can do this. If you hold the speaker reset and the Wi-Fi set button together for 10 seconds, the speaker will reset to default and the LEDs will blink to acknowledge this. Now the speaker goes back to its default settings and you can start the setup process all over again. Another way to reset the Focus speakers is through the Setup and Control app. Press Settings, go to Speaker Info. At the bottom there's a button called Factory Reset. Hit this button and acknowledge, and the speaker will now reset. The speakers go back to default, and now you can restart the guided setup process within the app.